but you want to wear gloves whenever you put them in. Alright, so went ahead and got all the injectors torqued down, feed tubes torqued down. Now we're going to go ahead and finish up putting on the fuel rail and hooking up all the injector lines that go on top of it. Put all the bolts in, go ahead and do your wiring harness. If y'all are wondering, the torque spec on this, it is going to be 44 inch-pounds for the injectors, and 11 foot-pounds for the feed tube nozzles. Then you're going to go back and do 89 inch-pounds on the injectors and 37 foot-pounds on the injector feed tubes. So basically, injectors is only in inch-pounds and feed tubes are going to be in foot-pounds.